All right, so today we're going to be talking about making a perpendicular line. So again, your notes have all the steps listed right here. I'm just going to be walking you through the steps on how to do it. So the first thing that the steps say is to place the bullseye on point D. Now on your assignments, tests, or whatever, it may not be labeled point D, but there will be a point that's not on the line or a point that's on the line like this. But it will be kind of obvious what point it wants the perpendicular line to go through, because it's not going to want to be one of the endpoints. Okay? So you place the bullseye on that point. Then the second step is to move the slide lower than the line. But you need to make sure that the arc you draw intersects it twice. So that's the important thing, is that the arc you draw intersects it twice. So when you make it lower than the line, you might want to double check, just kind of move your compass, make sure that the arc you draw will intersect the line twice. And this one will, so I'm going to just draw the arc in now. Okay? So once I have that arc that's intersected the line twice, I'm going to bisect between those two intersections. So what I'm going to do, just to make these notes make sense, is I'm going to put a point at each of those intersections. And the notes say to label it CE. You don't necessarily have to do this on your work, but you do need to bisect between those 2 points. So at this point, the rest of the line doesn't matter, just between those 2 points. Okay? So you are bisecting that line segment right there. So when you bisect a line segment, you place the bullseye on one endpoint, move the slide more than halfway towards the other. So it just needs to be at least, or more than halfway. Okay, and then you draw a big arc. And you're going to get that football shape if you do it right. Okay, and you do the same thing on the other. Oh, and the staple gets in the way. Okay, so again, you get that football-like shape. And then the last thing you do is connect the 2 intersections with the point. And if you do that right, that line should be intersecting at exactly 90 degrees, which makes it perpendicular.